Morning again, Roro here. Just doing an update on my e-bike build. So here's my bike that I'm gonna be using. This is just a normal 26-inch mountain bike. It has a different sprocket on it. This is a Schwinn 52 teeth and 48 teeth sprocket combo. That's a 1 make 7. But this is the main focus of the day. These are the items that I use to gear up this angle grinder that I had found. So first I get the 2 washers, put them on, make sure that they are as best in the middle as possible. And I drop that severed hub on, and I see that little I have to seat this little washer. I have to seat it properly. Once it's seated, just put the severed hub and stuff over this, and then I tighten it down with this locking nut. For those of us who are familiar with angle grinders, I just push something in here and lock the head of the unit and tighten it, and tighten this nut with something like this, right? But just for examples, we're just gonna see it just fits perfect. I've tested it running before, but I'm unable to do that now. So this is just how I put it together. Today I'm hoping to build a frame and get a battery pack, so I can just get a dimmer switch and the inverter afterwards, and hopefully I'll get this thing sorted out so I can do some test videos. It's expected to be a lot faster. It's expected to be a lot faster than the usual e-bikes, because this is a 2500 watt motor. It's a AC 120 volt 2500 watt motor. So I'm supposed to get some good speed and be able to go a bit faster and give this unit less work to do using this, using the cog. And I'm gonna put another small cog right there. It's gonna be spot welded onto my aluminum hub, so it'll be able to hook up properly, and we can get the power from this across a chain right through the back wheel. But there's gonna be a bracket. There's gonna be a bracket for the motor and the battery pack on the rear of the bicycle, because the motor by itself on this side will make the bicycle terribly unbalanced. This motor weighs almost 11 pounds, so I'll have to do some more math and balance how the weight is gonna go across the axle. Alright, thanks for checking out my content. If you like my content, feel free to like, share, and subscribe. And if you have any comments, just write them down below. Thanks for checking me out.